What's going on, traders? It's your boy Marv, the man, the myth, the professor, back again. So here we go, day trading recap. This one will be quick. There was only two stocks that I was really interested in. It was actually three or four that popped up after the market, but only two plays for me today. So we're gonna get right into it. Let me go ahead and bring up the first stock that we're going to talk about, which is NNVC. Let me go ahead and share my screen, and let's go ahead and get to it. Okay. So, NNVC, this was a stock I was interested in this morning. It was one of the three stocks that came up pre-market, and of the three, I played two of them. Okay, it says stock is moving on COVID news, has a first buy at the MA at 910. So here, what was going on? Basically, you see this candle here pre-market with this long wick, came right here to 910. Okay, so I knew that by the time the market opened, the MA was going to move up, and so I could have caught this maybe at 906 or something, but I kept my 910 order in. It comes right in here, and I had to just be patient. But essentially, let's go to the 3-minute time frame. We can see here's my line where it entered at. This is a better look because now you can see I was looking for anywhere between 3 to 5%. Remember, that's kind of what I've gone to. So in the right circumstances, I'll take 10. But it's been things have not been as good as of late, and so you have to adjust. So I just get tighter, man, but I still take profits. That's the key. My magic number is 3 though. I'm taking 3% minimum. Okay, so here we go. It came here, pulled in a 910. Okay, and then it bounced basically up to what is this 960ish and 63ish, something like that. Actually, went even higher. Excuse me, it went up all the way to almost $10, and then it sold off. But I was in here. I was out by 50. So I got in at 910, out at 950 for a 3. Oh, that was a 4% win, and I'll take it. Happy. Listen, man. When you come from very humble beginnings, and you can make the kind of money that I made today in 30 minutes to an hour, man, it's hard to complain, man. It's hard to complain. All right, next stock we're going to talk about is VBIV. Share my screen. I lost on this trade, and it's already here. It's already pulled up. So this one's game plan stock is moving from market and has a first buy at 492. 392. That should be 392. I was willing to buy this candle here, okay? The problem was what? The MA. Right? So because the MA was in the way, I really wanted it 392 and was really also willing to buy it down here. But we'll go to the 3-minute. The problem with it is here's the same areas. The MA was basically sitting at 408 at the time. Okay, so I basically took VBIV at 408. The MA actually moved down to 405 by the time that I got entered, but that's fine. And basically, I got entered on this candle here, and it just couldn't get up. It couldn't go. Okay, it got as high as 413 if I recall, and then it just sold off. And once I seen it sell well past that, I had my whole strategy was different. Okay, at that point, I was essentially waiting for, let me go back here, for it to come back to the MA on the 15-minute time frame, the 20 MA on the 15, which was sitting at basically like 405. Okay, so what I did is I just said, hey, I got in at 408, and I clearly see that this one is not going to do it. I gave it all of the time it needed, 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 minutes just for it to get back to $4. Okay, so what I did is I went on ahead. When I see it, I just said I'll take, if it gets over 401, I'll take it. And it got to like 403 or something like that, and it sold off. And so I was okay with taking I think I lost about 7 cents or something like that per share. I can't remember the exact execution. And that was a good decision because you could see that it sold off again, and you have no idea that it's going to come back. You don't know this. Okay, this is all happening in real time. And so I was smart enough to say, okay, look, when this candle happened, the odds of this trade being successful is slim to none. So let me just it's the new best case scenario is I can get out for minimum damage. Okay, and that's what I did. I got out for minimum damage because I managed that correctly. Look, what if I would have held and said, "Oh, I think now it's going to turn around and it's going to go." Look where it went to, man. Look, it dropped. It dropped significantly. So, oh, sorry about that. So, this is why hope is not a strategy. This is why sometimes you just got to be okay with the fact that this one just might not work out for us. And then you just move on. You move on. You pick, a good spot to get out at, let price come back to it, get out, take a small loss. Even with the loss, I still ended up profitable because I took a 4% trade and I lost, I think it was 1.4%, something like that. So now I'm up, let's just call it 3%. Win. Still a win. Still a win. Okay? Old saying goes, you can't go broke taking a profit. Take a profit. So that was it. It's slowing up. I know in July things slow up, and the COVID ain't stopped nothing in regards to stocks moving in the penny stock world. It's just, I think it's just a little tad bit slower than normal. And then we had the 4th of July weekend, so we'll see. I think it's going to take a week or two for that to for things to kind of like get back to normal. But all it take is one active day for me to hit my goal for the week, and you just be surprised because I've hit my goal for the week in a day on several occasions. So it's just a matter of waiting it out. But hey, that was today. 1-1, still profitable. I'll take it. All right, man. I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. Hopefully we can get some action, get some a little more moving, a little more telling pre-market, and then we'll take it from there. Y'all have a good one. Stay safe.